Jujutsu Kaisen, Chainsaw Man, Tokyo Ghoul. These manga have the most amazing line art. And since I'm nosy, I dug in deep on what exactly makes these mangas so good. And you'll be able to bring your art from boring and flat to dynamic and exciting. I'll also provide templates that you can use for practice on each style, so be sure to stick around. Let's go. JJK tends to make his lines sharp, dynamic, and expressive. He focuses on clean lines, intense motion, and strong character silhouettes. This can be done and captured in 3 steps, as follows. 1. Sketch roughly. JJK always start with loose poses, emphasizing movement and emotion. So when you try this, make sure to keep it dynamic, because JJK's chaotic and most importantly expressive style is a good one and can work for you if you've mastered. 2. Refine with confidence. To do this, you must use bold, varied line weights to show depth. Use thick lines for outlines and thin ones for details. And don't be afraid of the messy energy, because when you look at JJK's art, you notice that all of them have a chaotic feel to them. 3. Add effects. This is the part where you add speed lines and other manga effects. I'm not going to go deep into this, but all you do here is add ink splatters and scratchy shading to capture the gritty JJK vibe. Tatsuki makes his line work wild, raw, and chaotic, almost like GEGE. This art style is characterized by sketchy, energetic strokes and intense detail that match the story's brutal, unpredictable vibe. This can also be done in 3 steps. 1. Messy sketch. For this, you have to start loose and gritty. Try to capture the action and emotion more than clean structure. In other words, don't worry about the cleanliness of the piece. 2. Inking with texture. Use scratchy, aggressive lines. Don't simply be afraid of cross-hatching and rough textures, especially on clothing, metal, and gore. 3. Dynamic effects. Add ink splatters, speed lines, and try to contrast heavy shadows to boost intensity and feel the style.
Let's sing a song full of hope.
SUI is Haida. Now this art style is different from the others because it isn't loose and messy. It is elegant yet haunting. It features clean contours, fine details, emphasis on emotional intensity, often blending beauty with horror, and here are the 3 steps. 1. Delicate sketching. Begin with refined emotional poses, also focus on anatomy and soft facial expressions or anguish. 2. Ink with contrast. Use thin, precise lines for characters but deepen shadows dramatically, especially around the eyes, kagunen, and dark settings. 3. Add emotional texture. Incorporate subtle scratching lines, ink bleeding, or fragmented shading to evoke fragility, pain, and inner chaos. And that's it. Kinda know I promised a template you can use to study these, but a screenshot costs either 1 like or 1 sub, and there you go. I'll see you in the next one.